Hey guys, welcome to All Star Blenders. Here we bring you our next recipe, Choco Vanilla Twilight Cake. For this we'll be needing so let's get started. First we start with the caster sugar, then we add the butter and we blend it. In Christmas, we all come together. The same way we'll be blending all the ingredients together to get a consistency just like this. Now we will add in the all-purpose flour, the baking soda, baking powder, some salt, and we'll be adding it to the mixture. Then we'll add the cocoa powder, blend it well, vanilla essence, blend everything. Now to the mixture we will add milk. We need a proper consistency. We'll keep on blending and we'll get a consistency just like this. Now let's grease the container. We will add a butter paper. We will drop in the batter. Dab it and bake it at 250 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Now in a bowl, we take some cream. We will blend it well. We need a thick consistency. We will add the caster sugar. Blend well. And after whipping, we will get a consistency just like this. Now in a container of hot water, we add hot chocolate. We add some gelatin mixture and we will mix it. Now we will spread the whole mixture on the cake. Make sure we spread it evenly. Now we will spread the whole mixture on top of the cake. We will spread it evenly all the sides. Make sure no part is missing. Now after freezing for half an hour, we will spread the whipped cream on top of the cake. And for the topping, we will drop some snowflakes of chocolate on the cake. And at the last, for a final touch, we will add a choco ball. And we are done. Hey buddy, Merry Christmas to you. Yo, have a cake. And our Choco Vanilla Twilight cake is ready.